Hello and welcome, welcome, welcome. This is Mrs. M and thank you so much for joining me today. And if you haven't, make sure you click below to subscribe to my actual channel so you can receive the latest with the juicy cleaning business industry news. So if you've been following for the last couple of days, I've actually been talking about proposals, and this is one way. When I talk about something that can stand out, you can have a proposal that can actually stand out, and this can be your YES, which is the acronyms for your earning signature system. This is what I actually talk about in the masterclass. I'm going to talk about in a few minutes on what you can do to stand out. You have to have your yes. Your yes is your earning signature system. This is something that you actually do, that you stand out from all the others when it comes to your unique earning signature system. So it's yours, it's unique, it's your earning signature system. This is something that you create within your business, and one item you can do that is your proposal. This is one way you can stand out. So I kind of took one piece of so many different areas that you can stand out within the cleaning space, that niche where you can actually build something that's unique. I call that your unique earning signature system. It earns you money time after time again because you're standing out from all the rest. So I've been talking the last couple of days about digital proposals, and I'm getting ready to close today because we went from creation to close and went to great detail yesterday. And today I'm going to talk about the average close rate for the cleaning industry. It's 19%. That's the average close rate from the time you do your walkthrough to when you gather the data, to when you submit your proposal, to when the prospects looks at it and then decides to close. The cleaning business industry is 19%. Now, some other industries like, maybe real estate is 33% and hospitality maybe 45%, but the cleaning industry rate is 19%. So you can see right there that there's a difference in the level, the lower level that this industry actually closes, as opposed to a higher level of some industries. So you need to figure out a way that you're going to make sure that you're one of those that beats the industry standard and your close rate is around 35 to 40%. So that's what you want to look at, your conversion rate. And remember, all the information I'm giving you is for you to learn how to scale and build a six-figure cleaning business. And I love to say from scratch. That way you understand going into it, you do not have to have funding set aside and contacts and all the things that you think you actually need in order to scale your business. So I really hope that these last series of videos were informative for you and that you were able to learn how important it is to do a digital proposal. The number one takeaway is you're actually able to follow this proposal all the way through. When they've received it, when they've opened it, how many times they've looked at it, what page you're actually looking at. And you want to remember that you want to have at least an 8 to 10 page proposal, and it should be broken into sections. And I gave you what the sections were in the earlier videos. So if you're interested in this information and much, much more, then guess what you need to do? You need to actually join me for my masterclass, my live masterclass. It is so much fun because I have such interaction with the attendees that are on the masterclass. Now, the great thing is I have you in and out in an hour. The bad thing is space is limited. So if you're interested, if you're truly interested in investing the time to learn what you need to do to take you to the next level, to build that six-figure cleaning business, then you need to subscribe and register. You need to do two things: subscribe to my channel and then register for this masterclass. And you can either click or you can copy and paste, sign up, register so that you're there. And I love the interaction. I love knowing, how long you've been in business, what's your goal, the whole 9 yards. So, like I said, if you're really serious about building a six-figure business, then this channel is for you. If you're serious about taking your experience even further, then you need to make sure you register for my six-figure cleaning business from scratch masterclass. And I'll look forward to seeing you then. Until then, please be safe, Make sure you take care of you, your loved ones, and until I see you next time, take care and be safe. Bye-bye.